Alright folks, we're here. Let's if I can get a little bit more light in here for us. Yeah, kind of dark for some reason right here where I'm at, but this is my workshop here. Give you a little update on the motorcycle we're working on. You know, I'm just trying to see if I can turn on my light here and maybe get us a little bit more lighting or something, because she is awful shady right here, ain't she? You know what? Hold on a minute. Hold on a second. Maybe we'll get a little bit of light this way. What do you think? Now? Alright, we'll do our best. Anyways, this is the motorcycle. Show you what I got. Look at the detail. The pipes I did right here. I did it with an all-clad I sprayed the pipes first with all-clad gloss black, and then I did it with this all-clad chrome. And I'll be honest with you, I really think it turned out well. Turned out really good. You can see kind of details I did here. Some of this stuff is hand painted, true. I did. Some of it's not. Some of it's airbrushed. So not everything is done airbrushed. The tailpipe here. See if I can't get a. I know I'm shaky because I got it by hand, but I did that titanium gold Tamiya paint. Titanium gold Tamiya paint. Did the inside black. I'm doing this motorcycle as a black gloss black on the front. So a little update on the motorcycle. But what I wanted to show you, you see my mess, folks, here. I actually am in my room. I don't have a dedicated room for my hobby. You know, my paint booth is here. I do have it going out the window. I open the window up so it's you know, gets ventilated, etc., and all that. Actually, that actually set better than I thought it would. So, okay. Let me show you what I am working on. And this I'm quite proud of. Well, I don't really say I'm proud of, but this is my GT car. Okay, this is this one. I'm going a little different route with it. It's still going to be a GT car, but I want more of a street car. But look at this paint. I sprayed it, excuse me, based it with the all-clad, that's the silver, my bad, no chrome, with the all-clad gloss black. But look at the cut, look at how good that paint went on there. I sanded it, wet sanded it with the all-clad black. You can see the color shift in it. This was painted last night. I thought that my bumper was going to get messed up, but it actually smoothed out. And I thought for a minute I was going to have to redo my bumper. Now I'm going to shoot this with clear when I'm done, but let me show you the paint I used, and y'all are going to like flip out. This right here is the paint that I used. Let me show you what I did. This is my thinner. Now I'm going to show y'all my thinner of how I thinned it. Filled it up with washer fluid. All this is Super Tech. Got it from Walmart. I think I did. Washer fluid. I put a drop of this in it. I filled the washer fluid up to, I'm going to say right about here. I put just a drop of medium in it. And then I put, I don't know, maybe that much a flow remover in it. And then I got this at Walmart. And I put about 15-20 drops of that in it. Now, you don't need this or you don't need this. I would say the two that I would say use would be the windshield washer and that. And folks, you see, let me show you again. Let me get you in the light here. I can show you really good. You know what? I don't know if I can get it in the light there. No. I'll tell you what light might work. It's gonna be loud. There you go. That's how well it came out. So that's my booth. But that's what I did, and I shook it up. I did a 50-50 mix, maybe just a little bit, touch more than a 50-50 mix. But it came out exceptionally well. I am happy that the front of my car came out okay, because I was a little worried. It actually got a little water on it around, I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Yeah, you can see it right there. Maybe the clear coat will take that out. I'm hoping it does. I'm gonna let this sit for another day or so and whatnot, but figured I would give a little update. I haven't done it, and I know a lot of guys. I want to appreciate all the subs out there, by the way. Thank you. You can see my mess over here. I have a thing. Like I say, I'm in my room, so I'll keep an update here on the motorcycle. I know the camera's all over the place. I apologize again for that. And we're trying to do this one hand. There you go. But that's the update on the motorcycle. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing. I'm going to leave some pictures at the end of this video to show you some of the progress that I've done on the motorcycle. Thanks again for watching. Hey, hit those subs and subscribe. I appreciate it.